Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove yourself from Facebook Business Manager account. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on removing your own access to a Facebook page that's managed through your account. Before you begin, consider whether anyone else still needs access to the page. If you're the only admin, removing yourself can leave the page without management. So make sure at least one trusted person remains with the right permissions. Start by opening Facebook on a desktop browser and sign in if prompted. Using a desktop makes the settings easier to find and navigate. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu and profile switcher. From here, select the page you want to leave. If you don't immediately see it, look for an option like See All Profiles or Switch Profile, then choose the correct page. You'll know you're viewing the page when its name and profile image appear in the top bar. With the page active, click the profile picture at the top right again to open the menu. Choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. You're heading into the page's configuration area where access and roles are controlled. In the Settings sidebar, click Page Setup. Depending on Facebook's layout at the time, this may be labeled slightly differently, but it's the section where foundational page options live. Next, go to Page Access. This is the hub that shows who can manage the page, including people with Facebook access and anyone granted task-based permissions. Locate your own profile in the list. To the right of your name, click Manage. This opens controls specifically for your access. Here, follow the on-screen prompts to remove yourself. Facebook may phrase the option as Remove from Page or Remove Access. Confirm your choice when asked. For security reasons, you might be prompted to re-enter your password or complete two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, your management permissions will be revoked immediately. After removal, you'll no longer be able to post as the page, adjust settings, or view insights and ads tied to this page. Any pending drafts, scheduled posts, or notifications you had will no longer be visible to you. If you manage multiple pages, repeat the same process for each one you want to leave. And if you ever need access again in the future, an existing admin will have to re-add you with the necessary permissions. That's it. You've successfully removed yourself from the page via Facebook settings, completing the process cleanly and securely.